So, here at Drysdale Falls today, it's today's adventure. See here, you can hear the falls in the background. They're just around the river bend here. I'm hoping there's an easy way down to it and that I don't have to ford a pretty big or deep river, but we'll see. All right, let's get on with it then. I'm pretty sure the trail goes just through the woods here. See you in a minute. So I made it down to the river's edge here, as you can see, but I took probably the worst way one could ever imagine. I pretty much right from this stone top of the cliff here, I pretty much crawled on my ass all the way down it. I'm probably just caked in mud on my behind, but I think it was worth it. I made it down to the river, as you can see here, and it is just beautiful down here. As you can see, I'm in a gorge here, a river gorge. Yeah, it's just incredible. See people leaving all kinds of trash here. There's all kinds of no trespassing signs. I'm not sure if that's because I'm on private property or if you know, the RCMP posted those because of the pretty recent deaths that have occurred here from people, you know, getting in over their head, literally in the water, and drowning, unfortunately. I think one man drowned here back in 2018 trying to save his infant son. So yeah, pretty unfortunate. Seen some really old no trespassing signs posted up on the trees, but there's also some bright new ones. Yeah, as we take this turn here, we're going to come up on this absolutely spectacular waterfall. The sun's probably out just over it, so it might be kind of overexposed, but we'll see. We'll see. There it is. A beautiful, beautiful waterfall. I think this is one of the largest I've ever seen. I think Bullock Fan in the Highlands National Park might be a little bit bigger, but it's on a slope, so it's not a dead drop like this one here. I had to ford the brook on top of the waterfall up here to get down to here, but the water was just beautiful, so it was worth it in my opinion. See if I can get my shoes a little more wet. Just walk into the brook here, I suppose. It's not too slippery. It's pretty good. Yeah, the water is beautiful right now. I would not expect it to be this warm so early in spring, being that it's only May 18th. Yeah, it's wonderful right now. All right, so that was Drysdale Falls. Beautiful, beautiful location. Just out of breath here because the shoes that I'm wearing pretty much feel like cement blocks on my feet at this point because they're soaked. I wore them in. But yeah, and plus I got the first swim of the year in May 18th and I went swimming. It was a little chilly, but it was doable. And my body got pretty used to it, so pretty quickly at that, so I'm pretty happy. Now it's a hike back to the vehicle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Take care.